Then he got into the boat, and his disciples followed him. Without warning, a furious storm came up on the lake, so that the waves swept over the boat. But Jesus was sleeping. The disciples went and woke him, saying,
Lord, save us! We're going to drown!
He replied,
You have little faith! Why are you so afraid?
Then he got up and rebuked the winds and the waves. And it was completely calm. The men were amazed and asked,
What kind of a man is this? Even the wind and the waves obey him.